Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated, and the 50/30/20 rule is proof of that. This simple yet powerful strategy helps you manage your money, save for the future, and build wealth over time. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a better way to organize your finances, the 50/30/20 rule is one of the easiest and most effective budgeting methods you can use. Let's break it down. What is the 50/30/20 rule? At its core, the 50/30/20 rule divides your income into three simple categories. 1. 50% goes to needs. 2. 30% goes to wants. 3. And 20% is allocated to savings and debt repayment. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. By following this guideline, you can avoid overspending, prioritize savings, and ensure you're living within your means. Let's take a closer look at each category. 50% for needs. The first half of your income should go toward necessities, expenses you absolutely can't live without. This includes things like 1. Rent or mortgage payments. 2. Utilities like electricity and water. 3. Groceries. 4. Insurance. 5. Transportation. 6. And minimum debt payments. These are the essentials that keep your life running. If your needs exceed 50% of your income, it's a sign to reassess your expenses. Can you move to a more affordable home, switch to a cheaper insurance plan, or cut back on utility usage? Making adjustments here can free up funds for other priorities. 30% for wants. Next, allocate 30% of your income to wants. This category covers non-essential spending, the things that make life enjoyable but aren't necessary for survival. Examples include 1. Dining out. 2. Entertainment, like movies or streaming services. 3. Travel and vacations. 4. Hobbies and personal indulgences. It's important to note that wants and needs can sometimes blur together. For example, a car is a need, but upgrading to a luxury vehicle may fall into the wants category. Being honest with yourself about what's truly necessary can help you stick to this rule. 20% for savings and debt repayment. The final 20% of your income is dedicated to building wealth and securing your financial future. This includes 1. Emergency fund contributions. 2. Retirement savings, like 401ks or IRAs. 3. Investments. 4. And extra debt repayments beyond the minimum. This category is where the magic of the 50/30/20 rule happens. By consistently setting aside 20% of your income, you'll build a safety net for emergencies and grow your wealth through compound interest. Why does the 50/30/20 rule work? The 50/30/20 rule is effective because it's simple, flexible, and balanced. Unlike complicated budgets that require tracking every penny, this method lets you focus on three broad categories. It also ensures you're saving enough for the future without depriving yourself of enjoyment in the present. How to get started? Start by determining your monthly take-home pay after taxes. If you're self-employed, subtract business expenses and set aside funds for taxes before applying the rule. Divide your income into the three categories. 1. 50% for needs. 2. 30% for wants. 3. 20% for savings and debt repayment. For example, if you earn $3,000 a month, allocate $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings. Review your spending regularly to ensure you're sticking to your budget. If one category is too high, look for ways to cut back and reallocate funds. Building wealth fast. While the 50/30/20 rule is a great starting point, you can accelerate your wealth building by tweaking the formula. For instance, if your expenses are low, consider allocating 40% or even 50% of your income to savings and investments. Every extra dollar you save or invest today can significantly boost your financial future. Final thought. The 50/30/20 rule is more than just a budget, it's a roadmap to financial stability and long-term wealth. By prioritizing needs, enjoying wants within reason, and consistently saving, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, the goal isn't perfection but progress. Start where you are, make adjustments as needed, and watch your financial confidence grow. So, are you ready to give the 50/30/20 rule a try? The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the benefits of a balanced and intentional approach to money.